Riedel Communications has announced that Fondazione Teatro alla Scala has deployed a comprehensive wireless intercom solution, leveraging Riedel's Bolero, NSA, Reface, and Puntum systems to unify and modernize backstage communication across one of the world's most iconic opera houses. Using Bolero as the core wireless intercom platform, this deployment enables Teatro alla Scala to achieve seamless, real-time coordination across its complex production environment. Riedel's solution covers the high demands of Teatro alla Scala with a scalable system that integrates seamlessly across departments. Bolero now connects stage managers, lighting technicians, audio engineers, video operators, fly tower staff, streaming crews, and the director, enabling uninterrupted wireless communication even in the most RF-challenging areas of the theater. Reface integration supports 45 UHF channels for rigging crews, while NSA ensures interoperability with third-party systems used by the streaming team. Puntum devices complement Bolero in roles requiring additional flexibility.
Chyron has released Weather 2.3, the latest edition of its weather visualization suite for broadcasters and meteorologists. The update includes new features and improvements to enhance weather storytelling. Weather 2.3 empowers users with a set of customization capabilities and flexible tools to create dual-channel content and tailor the platform to their day-to-day needs. This release includes modern video encoding, dual SDI and DVI outputs, and high-quality resolutions to deliver production-ready assets, as well as the new Virtual Globe playlist option for seamless 3D globe weather visuals. The update also strengthens workflow integration by enabling external automation tools and virtual sets to manage several capabilities of the Weather Presenter playlist. In addition, Weather 2.3 incorporates a range of improvements to simplify data intake and processing.
Adobe has launched a new Firefly tool that uses AI to help video editors and content creators find a starting point in their raw footage. Quick Cut enables Firefly users to upload their own B-roll or generate new footage and instantly turn it into a structured first cut. Users can upload footage and include a brief description to the Firefly video editor, such as interview, product demo, travel vlog, etc. Quick Cut uses the description to deliver a narrative-first assembly or offers an option for more guidance. Editors can also input a shot list or a script for more precision. Editors can also select a specific aspect ratio, choose automatic pacing, or set a specific duration, and even add an optional B-roll track to keep supporting footage organized.
Hisense sales of freely enabled televisions have surpassed 1 million units in the UK, marking a major milestone for the manufacturer's partnership with Everyone TV's streaming platform. Freely was introduced across Hisense 4K TVs in 2024, offering subscription-free access to live and on-demand programming from the BBC, ITV, Channel 4 and Channel 5, without the need for an aerial. The platform delivers more than 60 live channels and around 75,000 hours of on-demand content, with viewing delivered over Wi-Fi. The company also points to recent product innovation, including its RGB mini LED technology. Hisense has positioned itself as the first TV brand to bring consumer RGB mini LED to market.
Harmonic has announced that Alcom, a leading telco operator in Finland, is powering its next-generation white-label head-end video service with Harmonic's XOS advanced media processor. Leveraging Harmonic's media processor, Alcom is enabling mid-size operators across Finland and Sweden to deliver broadcast and streaming services with outstanding video quality and efficiency. The XOS media processor strengthens Alcom's market position by enabling the operator to expand its service portfolio, deliver higher-value services, and capture new revenue opportunities in the Nordic region. By consolidating a wide range of media processing tasks such as playout, branding, and premium encoding into a single appliance, the XOS media processor unlocks increased operational efficiency for Alcom. Moreover, AI-powered IQ content-aware encoding provides up to 50% bitrate savings while maintaining outstanding video quality, ensuring viewer satisfaction.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.